Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. So today we are going to continue lesson number 8, the pronoun, the kinds of pronouns. So today we will do the exercise number 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this exercise number 5th is related to a relative pronoun. So student, before starting this exercise, we will study what is a relative pronoun. Okay, students. Now this relative pronoun we have already studied in the last class. So before starting this exercise, you have to know about the relative pronouns. Now let's start. A relative pronouns is one which is used to refer to a noun mentioned previously, whether they are people, places, things, animals or idea. रिलेटेड प्रोनाउन को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम. सर्वनाम तो आपको पता ही है जो संज्ञा की जगह यूज किए जाते हैं. ओके, सो जब हम रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन संबंधवाचक प्रोनाउन की जब हम बात करते हैं तो वो कहाँ पर यूज किए जाते हैं? एज इट इज यूज रेफर टू नाउन्स मेंशन प्रीवियसली. जो भी नाउन्स दिए जाते हैं उस जो उससे पहले नाउन मेंशन किए जाते हैं उसे हम क्या यूज करते हैं? जैसे वेदर दे आर पीपल, वो पीपल भी हो सकते हैं, प्लेसेस भी हो सकते हैं, थिंग्स, एनिमल्स और आइडियाज भी हो सकते हैं. सो जनरली स्टूडेंट, रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस कैन बी यूज टू जॉइन टू सेंटेंसेस. जो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस होते हैं वो दो सेंटेंस को जोड़ने का काम करते हैं. ओके, सो द वर्ड्स आर who, which, whom, whose, which and what. So words जो हम as a pronoun use करते हैं who, which, whom. So here student, I'm explaining from this chart where we use who, whom, which, that or whose. So student, as a relative pronouns we use as a who relates to people as a subject, whom relates to a people as a object. Okay, जब हम as object बात करेंगे तो we use whom. Now which relates to animals and objects. Yes, that is relates to a people, animal and things. Yes. Now next, whose refers to a possession. Okay, now here we use as a relative, where use as a relative pronoun as it refers to a places. Now when is refers to a time. Now why refers to a reason, and what relates to a thing. Okay students, so this is a chart related to a relative pronoun. So here we use whom, which or that. So student, don't be confused that these words as a who, whom, which are used in as an interrogative pronoun, but the interrogative pronouns are used for asking a question, but the relative pronoun is used for join two sentences. Clear? Okay. Now student, let's start the exercise number 5th. Yes, underline the relative pronouns in the following sentences. One has been done for you. आपको क्या करना है कि इस सेंटेंस में ओनली आपको यही बताना है कि रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन कौन से हैं. आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. यस, नंबर 1, we like boys who are honest. Yes, here who here as a relative pronoun. Number 2, where is the pen which you brought yesterday? Here which is here as a relative pronoun. Number 3, here is the book which you lost yesterday. So here which is here as a relative pronoun. Number 4, this is the house that my grandfather built. So this is the house that my grandfather built. So there that is here as a relative pronoun. Number 5, he was a great leader whom all people respected. Here whom is here as a relative pronoun. Number 6, bring me the clothes dash where which the washer man washed. So which is here as a relative pronoun. Number 7, this is a man whose son was killed in an accident. So this is a man whose son was killed in an accident. Whose is here as a relative pronoun. The answer which she gave is not right. Which is here as a relative pronoun, underline it. Now number 9, we met the sailors whose ship was wrecked in the storm. So here whose as a relative pronoun, underline it. Now the juggler whom we met yesterday will show some of his tricks. So here whom is here as a relative pronoun. Number 11, show me the knife that you have brought. So here student, you notice that is here as a knife. That is here as a relative pronoun and the antecedent of the that is knife. Number 12, the boy whose parents are dead is called an orphan. So here whose is here as a relative pronoun. Number 13, she has lost the watch that was presented to her. So that is here as a relative pronoun. Now he that is not with me is against me. So underline the that it is a relative pronoun. Number 15, it is only donkey that prays. So here it is a that is here as a relative pronoun. Okay, student, I hope you have to clear. So you have to identify the relative pronoun in these sentences and underline it. Okay. Now Let's start the exercise number 6. Yes, fill in the blanks with relative pronouns in the following sentences. अब स्टूडेंट्स आपको क्या करना है, आपको जो एक्सरसाइज है उसके अंदर आपको एज ए रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन आपको फिल करना है, लेकिन आपको सेंटेंस को डिपेंड करेगा कि कहाँ पर आप हु यूज करेंगे, कहाँ पर हुम यूज करेंगे, कहाँ पर डेट यूज करेंगे। अभी 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 चार्ट के थ्रू हमें समझा हुआ कि हमने कहा हु यूज करेंगे, और मैं वापस से आपको बता देती हूँ हु मतलब ओनली पर्सन के लिए जब हम बात करते हैं एज ए सब्जेक्ट तो हम हु यूज करेंगे, होम के लिए एज ए रेफर टू ऑब्जेक्ट, और पीपल के लिए बात करते हैं होम, लेकिन हम किसके लिए बात करते हैं एज ए ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज करते हैं। विच रिलेट्स टू अ एनिमल, ओके, हुज वी यूज एज ए पोजेशन, एंड दैट यूज फॉर पीपल एनिमल और थिंग्स के लिए यूज करेंगे, एंड वाई वी यूज एज ए रेफर टू अ reason, and the what relates to a thing. Okay, clear student? So now let's start the first sentence. They never fall dash die for a great cause. Okay students, so here you notice the we हम बात कर रहे हैं they never fall. So here who died in a great, so who किसके लिए आया, who where we use as a who relative pronoun, who died for a great cause. Now, number second, God helps those dash help themselves. Here we correct relative pronoun is who. The God help those who help themselves. Number third, this is the juggler dash we met yesterday. So here we use as a juggler जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं. So here we use whom. Number fourth, give me the letters dash postman left. So here that किसके लिए आया है, letters के लिए. So here we use that. Number fifth, we love those person dash are kind to us. हम उन person से बात करते हैं, उन person को पसंद करते हैं, love करते हैं, who are kind to us, जो हमारे प्रति क्या होते हैं, दयालु होते हैं. So here we use who. Now number sixth, time dash is lost is never found again. So that is here as we use as a relative pronoun. Now number 7 sentence, is this the road dash leads to the station? So here we talk about the road. So here अब बात कर रहे हैं road की, तो that use किया हमने road के लिए. Okay, road क्या है, antecedent है यहाँ पे. Number 8, these are the dogs that beat the children. So these are the dogs that, so where we talk about the that is also used for animals and things. So here we use as a that, okay, because dogs is here as an antecedent. Number 9, the girl dash you see standing there is my sister. So here we talk about the girl, हम जिसकी बात कर रहे हैं. So here we use the girl whom you see standing there is my sister. Yes, this is the man whose courage saved us. Okay, so now I hope you have to understood this exercise. Though now let's start the exercise number 7. Now let's start the exercise number 7. Yes, join these pairs of sentences together by using who. हमको ये जो दो sentence दे रखे हैं उसको एक ही sentence बनाना है और किससे हमको join करना है, who से. So let's start. Number 1, the girl is reading a book. She is my sister. The girl who is reading a book is my sister. जो girl reading, जो girl जो book पढ़ रही है, she is my sister, वो मेरी sister है. दोनों का इस दोनों sentence का mean से है. लेकिन next sentence जब हम बना रहे हैं relative pronoun से तो उसका मीन्स भी सेम होता है, लेकिन हमने क्या यूज किया एज ए रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. द गर्ल हु इज रीडिंग अ बुक इज माय सिस्टर. जो गर्ल जो की पुस्तक पढ़ रही है वो मेरी सिस्टर है. सो हियर वी यूज एज अ हु एज अ रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन एंड द एंटीसीडेंट ऑफ हु इज हियर द गर्ल. Clear? Now next sentence, the boys were punished, they were lazy. So here we talk about the boys. So here we use the boys who were lazy were punished. Clear? Number third sentence, the thieves were caught, they had stolen the jewelry. So here the thieves who were caught had stolen the jewelry. Number 4 sentence, this is the doctor, he cured me of malaria. So here this is the doctor, बात कर रहे हैं doctor की, तो here we use as a who relative pronoun. So here who cured me of malaria. Number 5th sentence, the child has been killed an accident, he came here yesterday. So the child who has been killed in an accident came here yesterday. Clear? Okay, now let's start the exercise number 8. Join each pair of the sentences into one, okay, using who, whose, whom, which और that. अब हमको जो sentence बनाने हैं, एक ही sentence बनाना है, उसके लिए हमको use करना है who, whose, whom, of, which और that. So now number 1, these are the men, they fought for their country's freedom. तो ये हम बात कर रहे हैं कि these are the men वे आदमियों की बात कर रहे हैं, वन देन मोर, ओके, ये वो आदमी थे। दे फॉट फॉर देयर कंट्रीज फ्रीडम, वो अपनी कंट्री की स्वतंत्रता के लिए, कंट्री की फ्रीडम, अपने देश को आजाद करने के लिए वो लड़ाई करे। फोर्ट इज हियर द सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द फाइट, ओके। सो हियर दीज आर द मैन हु किसके लिए आया है, मैन के लिए, ओके। दीज आर द मैन हु फॉट फॉर देयर कंट्रीज फ्रीडम, क्लियर। नाउ सेकंड, द thief stole the watch, the thief was caught here, the thief who stole the watch was caught, okay। तो who as a related pronoun person के लिए यूज करते हैं, तो thief if यहाँ पर क्या ऐसे पर्सन है इसलिए हमने क्या यूज किया, who। Number third sentence, the picture was very beautiful, they are on the wall, the picture which are on the wall are very beautiful, जो picture जो wall पर है बहुत ही सुंदर है, okay। So here we use as a which related pronoun, why we use a which related pronoun, because the picture is a non-living thing, so here we use which related pronoun। Number four, here is the doctor, his medicine saved the child's life, so here is the doctor whose जिसकी मेडिसिन क्या करी, चाइल्ड की लाइफ को सेव किया, चाइल्ड की लाइफ को बचा लिया, क्लियर। नंबर फिफ्थ सेंटेंस, अशोक इज एन इंटेलिजेंट बॉय, ऑल द टीचर्स लाइक हिम, सो अशोक हु इज एन इंटेलिजेंट बॉय इज लाइक बाय ऑल द टीचर्स। अशोक, हम बात करते हैं अशोक जो कि क्या है, एक इंटेलिजेंट लड़का है, वो किसके द्वारा, सभी टीचर्स के द्वारा पसंद किया जाता है। तो देखिए जो का मतलब, वैसे तो अगर हम बात करते हैं WH वर्ड की तो वहां पर हु का मीन्स निकलता है कौन, जब हम एज ए रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन की बात करते हैं तो हु का मतलब का निकलता है जो, क्लियर। Now, number six, the boy tells lies. So he deserves to be punished. The boy who tells lies deserves to be punished. Clear? Number seven sentence, the dog bit the burglar. He had broken into the house. The dog bit the burglar. Who किसके लिए यूज किया है, burglar के लिए, who had broken into the house. Number eight, this is the juggler, his tricks amazed us. Yes, this is the juggler who's ये juggler हमको क्या बोलते हैं, हम magicians बोलते हैं, जादूगर बोलते हैं, कि whose trick amazed us, whose किसके लिए यूज किया हमने, as a juggler के लिए यूज किया। Number nine sentence, those mangoes were very sweet, you bought them. So here those mangoes, which here we use as a related pronoun which, why this is a mango here, so here we talk about the mangoes, here we use which, so which you bought were very sweet. Number 10, the boys clapped heartily, they were watched the match, the boys who were watching the match clapped heartily, clear. Number 11 sentence, he is a rogue, nobody trusts him, so here he is a rogue whom nobody trusts him. Number 12, she bought some flowers, she gave them to her mother. Yes, she bought some flowers which she gave to her mother. हम flowers की बात कर रहे हैं, antecedent क्या है यहाँ पे, flowers है, तो here we use as a which relative pronoun. Number 13, the burglar had a wooden leg, we saw him yesterday. जो burglar की जो एक wooden leg थी जिसको मैंने कल देखा था, the burglar whom we saw yesterday had a wooden leg. the burglar जिसको हमने yesterday देखा था उसकी क्या है, एक wooden leg है, wooden leg थी, so here we use as a had, so we use uski wooden leg थी, okay. Number 14, this is the boy, his leg was broken in an accident, so this is the boy whose leg was broken in an accident, clear. So here we use whose as a boy, accident. Now number 15, the captain praised Chauhan. Yes, Chauhan's bowling was very good, so the captain praised Chauhan whose bowling was very good, okay. So I hope you have to clear this exercise. Now let's start the exercise number 9. Yes, fill in the blanks with there or it, okay. So number 1, dash is important that you understand the meaning of word first. So here आपको use करना है there or it. So here we use it is important, okay. So now second sentence, this evening dash will be a concert in the school. So यहाँ पर क्या होगा, here we use as a there, okay. This evening there will be a concert in the school. Number third sentence, is dash any snack left for me to eat. So here we use as a there, okay. So is there any snack left for me to eat. Now, number 4 sentence. Dash is too late to go shopping now. So here we use as it is too late. Okay. Number 5. What time is it? So here don't use a there. Okay. Now, number 6 sentence. Dash is a wonderful library near my house. So here we use as a there is a wonderful library near my house. Now, number 7 sentence. How many days are there in a week? So here notice that he will be used as a there. Yes. Number 8. Dash is not necessary to work on Sunday. So here we use it is not necessary to work on Sunday. Number 9 sentence. Dash are 4 pens lying on a table. Here we use there are 4 pens. Number 10. In Chennai, dash rains during winter also. In Chennai, we use it. Why? Because हम चेन्नई के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, तो here we use as a it. It किसके लिए यूज कर रहे हैं हम चेन्नई के लिए, so here we use as a it pronoun. Okay, student, I hope you have to clear all this exercise.